Hello everyone and welcome back to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create viral faceless reels using CapCut PC. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so even if you are new to video editing, you will be able to follow along easily. If you enjoy this kind of content and would like to see more advanced tutorial in the future, let me know in the comment section. Let's begin by launching CapCut. First, we need to create a background for our reel. Start by adding a new text layer to the timeline and delete the default text that appears. Now press the Windows key and the dot key on the keyboard at the same time. This will open the emojis and symbol panel. From there, select a rectangle and scale it until it covers the entire screen. This will serve as your background. You can change its color to match your style or theme. Once done, extend the length of this text layer and match the desired duration of your video. Then right click on the layer and choose make compound clip. The background may look a bit plain to at its point, so let's add some style. Head over to the effects panel and apply a retro effect to give it some visual interest. I am using an effect called dark night, but feel free to experiment with others. Adjust the effect setting until you get a look that feels right for your project. Next, we will add our main text. Create a new text layer and type in your message. Choose a font that's bold and clear, and don't forget to add a shadow to give the text some depth. Apply an intro animation to the text. I am using bounce left animation. Adjust the animation duration to fit your screen and position the text at the top of the screen. Now let's bring in our first character. You can download these characters from my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. Once imported, remove the red backgrounds using the chroma key tool. Simply go to remove bg, activate chroma key and use the color dropper to select the red area. Then increase the intensity to remove any remaining red edges or shadows. With the background removed, it's time to animate the character. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and drag the character down so it's out of view. Move a few frames forward, then bring the character back to its original position. Right click the keyframes and select cubic out for smoother animation effect. To animate the exit, select all the visible layers excluding the background and group them into a compound clip. Cut the clip where you want the exit animations to start. Add a transform keyframe, then move a few frames forward and drag the clip off screen. Add a small rotation to make transition feel more natural. Now let's bring in second character. Again, remove the background using chroma key. At the start of the clip, add a keyframe and drag the character to the right so it's not visible on screen. Apply a slightly rotation as well. Move forward a few frames and place the character where you want it to appear. Set the rotation back to 0 and apply a cubic out keyframe for a smooth entrance. Now let's add some text. Add a new text here for any remaining words or phrases and apply animation that match the pace of your video. For example, I will use a fast forward animation to keep things engaging. If you want to highlight a specific like channel, you can do so easily. Just double click on the word, change its font to something that stands out, and you're done. To add a highlight effect, create a new texture and insert a rectangle by pressing Windows and dot key again. Change a rectangle color to red or any color you prefer. Position and resize it over the words you want to highlight. Disable the uniform scale option so you can adjust the width and height separately. Right click this layer and make it a compound clip. Then change its blend mode to either screen or brighten. Now let's animate this highlight. Go to mask section and add a split mask. Rotate it to 90 degrees. Add a transform keyframe and move the mask to the left so the highlight disappears. Move forward a few frames and drag the mask to the right. This will create a smooth sliding highlight effect. To refine the movement, add a keyframe animation like you pick out. Finally, select all the layers used in the second animation, group them into a compound clip, and that's it, your Faceless reel is ready. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more editing tutorials like this. I will be back soon with another helpful video. Until then, take care and bye.